In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add a GIF or GIF. Like everyone pronounces this word differently. Okay, so you can add it in the product page if you want. And I'm going to be showing you how you can do this in a few seconds. Now, first thing you want to do, guys, you want to log into your Shopify store, and you want to click on products here in the left. Now you want to select a product that you want to add a GIF or GIF to. Okay, now I'm going to add a GIF to this product. As you can see, now you just need to search on Google. You can do the exact same steps if you are using your phone probably, but it's going to be harder a little bit. But if you are using laptop, you just need to search on Google for free GIF. Okay, and we are going to use this website. It's called giphy.com. Okay, this is the website that we are going to use. It also says here explore free GIFs. Now here you just need to search for a GIF that you want to add to your Shopify store or to the product page. Okay, now I'm going to search, for example, for beauty. Okay, as you can see, there are a lot of GIFs here. I'm going to use this one. Just click on it, and if, as you can see, any GIF you click on, it will display 3 different options here, which it's at the bottom it says here embed. That's what we want. Click on embed, and you want to click on copy code. Now make sure it says link copied. Now you want to go to a product page. Like I said, open the product page, and make sure you click this button. It's called show HTML. Okay, it's very important. You want to click here. Okay, after that, you want to select a section. It could be a section. Just click enter where it says 1 here, or anywhere here. Just select a section. I'm going to select this empty section. As you can see, paste that exact code. You can just like paste it manually, or you can just click on Ctrl V, and this is the code. Now after that, you want to click again on this button. It will say now show editor. Click on that. As you can see, this is the GIF that we have added from this website. Like I said, you can add different GIFs to your product page. Now if you click on save, now I'm going to go to the product page right now, and I'm going to show you guys how it's going to look like. I'm going to scroll down. As you can see, this is the GIF that we have added. It's very simple and easy. If this video guys helped you, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video.